Look at that one. That one's got a big old ram set on it. He must be the boy. Oh, there's a couple. Alright. So I'm working up here at this house on the hill. This is all Palm Springs Mountain. Oh look, I scared them. There they go. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See them? There's like 2 males and 5 females. They were just browsing where we were eating the grass. And this is a house. And this is a house. That's an abandoned house. But yeah, they just come out of the mountains and they're just chilling. I guess they're not too people shy, but I guess they scared them and they took off running. But that's cool. They were like right here. That's the neighbor's house behind this one, and another one next to it. So I guess this is the house that I'm working at the moment. It's up here in the secluded area of Palm Springs. Up here, pretty close to the mountain. I mean, it's right here. They're cutting out the mountain for some kind of a carport or something. Let's go look inside. This is a big ass house. It's all under construction, being built. So it's pretty much a mess, but it's nice. I guess that's what there's a little kitchen, island, kitchen stove stuff. Then it goes into the hallway with a bunch of rooms. Shit, I don't even know where this goes. Oh, it's like a maze in here. Old ass, but they're probably remodeling all this, I assume. Let's see. What's down there? Oh, another bedroom and bathroom. So far, that's 1, 2 bathrooms. Let's see if there's one here. Yeah, there's bathroom number 3. Okay, I bet you every room is a bathroom. No, this is like a lounge office. There's the front doors. Just a quick tour. I'm on a weekend actually working. The office. I guess this is a gym. Our bathroom. I'm doing the work right here. I had to replace some stuff that they had just to repair. And then I'm doing this actually. It's part of the shower bathroom. I guess this is a big bathroom. Yeah. It goes into some kind of a closet. Yeah, you can get lost in this house. Oh, back around. And this must be another bedroom. We can go outside. There's a beautiful views. I mean, look at sea. The Bighorn Sheep were down here the other day. Alright, let's go outside. the pool, see. This is like their pool area with a big inlaid barbecue. Fire pit, not barbecue. And then this is the pool. A fancy marble jacuzzi. Look at this, is all Palm Springs back here. And if you look up there, that's Bob Hope's house. One day I'll make a video and I'll climb up to the top and I'll make a video of the area and what it looks like up close. I can do that. But yeah, this is a pretty cool cool view. Look at all the palm trees. I guess that's why it's Palm Springs. Shit. And then here behind us is just the mountains. I believe the aerial tram though is way over there at the other end of Palm Springs. We're at the very back in like the very secluded area. Private homes. So look at that, like the architect on that house, very low and into the mountains, rocks. That one down there is probably abandoned or for sale. It looks empty. Kind of like this house. Shit, that thing looks like it's fallen down. But you got $1 million homes all around it. That's one house. Yeah, these houses are big. That's the parking for construction and stuff. It's not really, that's temporary. But yeah, just give you a quick view of the house I'm working at.